Hi, I'm David from Tiny Frog, here to talk about what you should have ready to get your website quote. So you probably have a great idea about what you want your website to be like. E-commerce, informational, something that you've thought about for a long time. To organize your thoughts, it's great to put together a short list that's concise so that when we talk to you about your idea, we have a clear idea of what we're going to be building for you. The first thing to think about is when people arrive at your homepage, what do you want them to see? What do you want to present to them? Our strategists will also help you determine that, but it's good to think about on your own too. The second thing to think about is what menu buttons you want in your menu. You can think about when people click on the buttons, where do they go? What happens? Usually we have a login button, a sign up button, a log out button if you have a membership site that we're creating for you. Third thing to think about is what types of people will log into the site. So if you're a shop, maybe you have a customer that will log in, save their different products into their cart and buy products. If you have a social interaction site, maybe you have just one type of person that logs in called a client. And then we always add what's called an administrator to the list, and that's you, the person that can manage the entire site. The fourth thing to think about is the different pages on the website. So you definitely want to have a home page, obviously. You want to have a login page, a sign up page if it's a membership site, and then you can just keep thinking about your ideas from there, and we can assign a page to each one of those things. Another thing you want to think about is when one of your members logs into the site, what are the different things they can do? So maybe they can save a list of favorites and maintain their favorite things. Maybe they can maintain their shopping cart. Maybe they can click on a button that will take them to an external site somewhere. One other thing you might want to think about is when an anonymous visitor gets to your site, what are the different things they can do? So you definitely want them to be able to contact you. So you want a contact page and a contact form. If you have a list of your locations on the website, maybe you want them to be able to view a map with your locations on it. So anonymous visitors are important too when they're not signed in, to make sure you think about that. So if you have a great idea and that's all you have, we're perfectly fine talking to you about it and helping you through all these steps. If you would like to put together a game plan and some concise bullet points for your web project, we would love to look at it. And hopefully this has helped you organize the information that you need to get a website quote.